Hello people, it's an honor to have you here today. I'm Kenny and we'll be making double crochet ribbon. So let's go on a crochet journey. Make a slip knot and chain however long you want your ribbon to be. I have 12 chain stitches plus 1. Thank you for subscribing. Add your chain 1 and into the back loops we will make double crochets. The double crochet ribbon is quite similar to the half double crochet ribbon. So you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through to make your double crochet. Yarn over into the next chain space, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops now on the hook and make your double crochet. Carry on making double crochets into each. We hope you're enjoying the crochet series on crochet ribbon at Anstar Rock Crochet. Feel free to check out any of the crochet videos on this series and you'll be glad you did. When you're making your crochet ribbons, you will find out that there are some ribbons that are closer together than the other. For instance, if you make the crochet slip stitch ribbon, then you find out that your stitches are very close together compared to the double crochet ribbon. Into the last we'll make a double crochet, yarn over and pull through to make a chain stitch, and that's 10. Into the very first gap, into both loops on top there, in there you make your double crochet. This will give you a better edging for your ribbon. Walk into each back loop just like so. Make a double crochet in each all the way down. Carry on growing the length of your crochet ribbon by making double crochet in each back loop. When you get to the end of the row, you chain 1 and turn. Very easy to make. Any crochet beginner can make this. You can use your ribbon to make hats, scarves, blankets, to add to sleeves and so many other projects in crocheting. You can also attach it with to your knitting projects as well. And the crochet ribbon looks more like a knitted garment, especially if you make the slip stitch or single crochet ribbon. We're coming to the very last double crochet. Pass your hook into the 2 loops on top. 1, 2. Yarn over and pull through and pull through. This will give your edging a straighter edging compared to if you pass your hook into 1 loop. Now this is how it's looking. Well done. We're always glad to have you on Anstar Rock Crochet. Thank you so much for your love, and we love you also. Hope to see you very soon in another exciting episode. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.